Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on top tips to score a good pointer in IELTS examination. IELTS is an important exam for anyone who wants to study or work in an English-speaking country. A good score in IELTS can open up many opportunities for you. So, in this video, we will be discussing some useful tips that can help you score well in IELTS. Tip 1. Understand the exam format. The first and the most important tip is to understand the format of the exam. You should be familiar with the different sections of the exam, the number of questions in each section, and the time allotted for each section. This will help you manage your time effectively during the exam. Tip 2. Improve your English language skills. The second tip is to improve your English language skills. The IELTS exam is designed to test your English language proficiency, so it is important to work on your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills. You can improve your language skills by reading English books, watching English movies, listening to English songs, and speaking in English with your friends and family. Tip 3. Practice mock tests. The third tip is to practice mock tests. There are many mock tests available online that you can take to prepare for the exam. These tests will help you understand the format of the exam, and also give you an idea of the type of questions that you can expect in the exam. Practice mock tests will also help you improve your time management skills. Tip 4. Learn time management. The fourth tip is to learn time management. Time management is a crucial skill that you need to have if you want to score well in IELTS. You should practice managing your time while taking mock tests. You should also learn to allocate time for each section of the exam. Tip 5. Focus on your weaknesses. The fifth tip is to focus on your weaknesses. After taking a few mock tests, you will be able to identify your weaknesses. You should focus on these weaknesses and work on improving them. For example, if you are weak in the reading section, you should practice reading English books, newspapers, and articles. Tip 6. Understand the question types. The sixth tip is to understand the question types. The IELTS exam has different types of questions, and it is important to understand the requirements of each question type. You should practice answering different types of questions to become familiar with them. Tip 7. Stay calm and confident. The seventh and the final tip is to stay calm and confident during the exam. It is important to stay relaxed and focused during the exam. You should take deep breaths and stay positive. Remember, a positive attitude can help you perform better in the exam. Conclusion. So these were some useful tips that can help you score well in the IELTS exam. Remember, preparation is the key to success, so start preparing early and practice as much as you can. All the best for your exam.